जैसे हेल्थ हो गया, इसके बाद you get online examinations. Okay, you can give some examination online also, and you get certificates for that. Certificates also, and these certificates are very globally, worldwide.
What purpose they have used in online examination?
Suppose you are doing any computer course. Okay. So you can do the course. First get the knowledge.
If you selected that one, who is the given in certificates?
What you are saying?
If you what purpose they are using online examination?
There are 226 courses. Understood?
Okay.
Suppose I have done DCA, Diploma in Computer Application.
Okay.
And now I want to check my capability, how much I learned in DCA.
The second one, you have already told them.
I have already told them. इसके अलावा what happens when you want to do it directly, when you want to get an authentic certificate.
Okay.
If you want to use the certificate in any job, or you want to give.
That's purpose they have using online certificate. Who's the given in the certificate?
USOP University, because it's a university also. It has completed 14 years.
Where is it is?
Totally online. Then apart from it, it has its own construction, ongoing construction building in Parajpura, Punjab. Okay. This is the first company of India which has started giving education online first.
Okay.
Then it has created a university.
Okay, Vowasys.com something one of the Vowasys.com company also is there, same process.
Overseas company. Use of overseas?
No, only Vowasys.
Whatever name you have heard, they are coming after Dsoft. Okay, Dsoft is the first company of India, because I have searched internet a lot. I visited a lot of websites. Google, I have googled many things. Some of friends are doing jobs in Canada and US, some in London. When they came to India, I talked to them. Hey, have you heard about Dsoft? They told me that Dsoft has a global presence. Dsoft is a let me tell you, it's a multinational organization. We have offices in New Delhi. This company is a purely Indian company, which was gone global. 2007, it was registered in Canada, Ontario. Okay. It has its one office in Canada, Ontario city. Apart from it, it has an office in Nepal, Kathmandu. Okay. So it's an Indian network marketing multinational. Just because its product is online education. It's not any soap, hair oil, or it's not doing any beauty products. Like a lot of companies are working there, like Amway, it's an American company. Why I joined this job? I also got the chance to listen to the plan of Amway. But one thing, I think I'm an Indian. So why I work for an American company? Right? If I know how to sell a product, then why I will work for an American company? If I will purchase the product Amway, promote it, the revenue will go to America. I'm an Indian. So am I doing right? No, I'm not doing right. I'm doing wrong. But if I get the best company in India, so why will I join Amway? A lot of people come to me, they tell me the plan. That's the reason I joined Dsoft. And this is multinational, because I want to do global business. I want to become global. I have a dream in my eyes that after 5 or 6 years, I will do a seminar in London, in Mauritius, in Taiwan. I have that type of dream. And Dsoft has given me that opportunity. I did my schooling from a very good school, Kendriya Vidyalaya, from a good college. I had a lot of chances to do a job. But I left that because I want to create something of my own. I want to make my identity. It's a new industry in India, and we are the first generation who is doing this business. I have searched a lot, did a lot of research. I have a lot of friends. I have some friends in IIT also. I had talked so many people, and they told me, yeah, this is the best thing. Do it. And I started. And when I joined Dsoft 4 years before, the fees was 7,000. 7,000 is not a big matter, right?
Actually, the first registration number whenever the start.
When you start, you have to fill a registration form. It costs around 200 rupees. It's for registration, okay? Because it's an academy.
No. What I'm asking is, in the online registration purpose, they have taken some DD.
Yeah.
Are I correct?
Yeah, you are correct.
Starting they have 2000 I think 2004. If you have at the starting time, how much the registration?
6,000.
6,000.
The first fees was 6,000. Then it was increased to 6,600. Then 7,000. And right now the fees is 9,500. Okay. If you want to know more about it, okay. If we talk, there's a lot of time to talk, but let me tell you one thing: just believe on that person who brought you here for talking to me. Just believe on it. It's just a game of belief. I don't know you, don't me. You don't know who is Sunil Arya. I don't know your name. You are from. We just met. We met friends. He is my upline, Mr. D. Kanage. 4 years before, he told me the plan of Dsoft. I was unknown to him. He was unknown to me. He was a stranger. I am from Uttarakhand. My dad is in CRPF. Just the reason he told me the plan. Okay, I just believe one.
Okay.
I said, okay, yeah, what will happen is something. Okay, just join it. No matter.
Okay.
In young age, what people do? They invest 10,000 for girlfriend. If your girlfriend says that, okay, just brought me a gift, 15,000. Okay, dad gave me 15,000. That's bullshit, right?
Okay. Okay.
We waste a lot of money.
Okay.
And we are investing for life.
Okay.
I do a lot of things.
Okay.
Okay, so I am just saying you believe it. I am not saying that do it, join it. I never say anybody please join it. I never say. It's your life. Take your decision.
Okay.
If you think, what is your dream in your life? What do you want to become? MTech you are studying. That's the study. What do you really want? Okay, tell me what you really want.
I am interested in working in the electronic side.
Electronics. No, what do you want to? What is your dream? What do you want to before you die? What do you want to do before you die? There's a movie came Anjana Anjan. There's a song. Oh, what is the song? I just forgot. धुंधला जाए जो मंजिल है एक पल को तू ना सर झुका. There's a dialogue comes in the song which written that what do you want to do before you die? That dialogue impressed me a lot. Yeah. Sunil, what do you want to do before you die? Then I suddenly wake up. Okay, yeah. I want to do something different. I have a lot of dreams. I want to do for my family, for my brothers. I have a lot of people to see. I want to do for my teammates who were joined for me. They believed me. I don't want to die poor. Because I see a lot of poorness.
I don't have any dreams. But I am working in. I am
Okay.
My game is my aim is I working in MNC company in electronics.
Yeah, that's good.
That's
I am very satisfied with you, and that's very nice. You are a very nice person. Very cool, calm.
Okay.
I liked you very much. Okay, but you tell me, brother, don't you need money? Everybody needs money.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
is- Now you are single. That's why you are thinking so.
Yeah.
But after a few years, you get married.
Yeah.
Okay, you will have 1 or 2 children. You have to feed them also, and you also want good education for them. But right now, the person, if you want to become engineer, the fees is 10 lakh rupees average.
Okay.
If you go in for management quota, it will increase to 15 lakh, right? But tell me, after 20 years, when your son will be of 20 years age, how much you will need for making him an engineer? Around 50 lakh rupees. And for becoming doctor, 1 crore rupees.
Okay.
Then you will need money. And then what you can do more? What you can do? You can do one thing. You will save your money. Saving, how much you will save? Suppose you are earning 50,000 and living in Bangalore, how much you will save? You will save 10,000 per month. एक साल कितना हुआ 1,20,000. In 10 years 12 lakh. Okay. In 10 years 12 lakh. In 20 years 24 lakhs. And you want to make yourself an engineer, you need 40 lakh. Then what you will do? You will take loan from the bank.
Yes.
And the whole your life will ruin in paying back the loan.
Okay.
That's how life goes. I don't want that.
Okay.
I want a free life. I want to become rich, famous. I want to do lots of things. I want to visit the whole world. I want to buy expensive cars. I want to become a nice person, nice personality. I have very big dreams, really, let me tell you. That's why I have a lot of dreams. Lot of dreams. I cry for them. I don't eat for them. I just want to fulfill my dreams. This is the place from where I started my business. You must be thinking that Sunil Arya ji is sentence English बोल रहा है. I was not good in education. I got 49% in 10th class. Okay. 55% 12th class. 55% graduation. I did BCom from PG College English. And these things had never stopped me in my progress.
Yes.
Never. These are nothing. I never thought about my marks and percentages.
Yes. It's really correct.
Right?
Right.
Because I believe in confidence. I studied a lot for doing Vsoft. But as I expected, I had not progressed that much in 4 years, 3 years. Yeah, but I'm satisfied. Within 2 or 3 months, I am going to achieve royalty, diplomat. I'm going to be the brand ambassador of Vsoft. Just 2 or 3 months. And there's a lot of people who are ready to do Vsoft. Our teams are working all over India. I have got the best upline. They take good care of me. There's lots of love in this business.
In Andhra Pradesh, any company is there?
Yeah, we have a very big team is working of Vsoft. A very big team is working in Andhra Pradesh. We have a great leader called Hidayat.
Only Srikakulam?
No.
You go in any other
You
state?
just tell me the name of the. I just know about Hyderabad. Okay.
Okay.
There are very people become millionaire in Vsoft already in Andhra Pradesh. Vsoft have more than 500 millionaire. 500 से ज़्यादा करोड़पति हैं. They are spread all over India. Some belongs to Andhra Pradesh, some belongs to Bihar, Uttar Pradesh. MP in MP alone there are 5 crorepati in Vsoft.
Okay.
One is near Jawara. There is around. कितने किलोमीटर जा रहा है?
It's a bus.
150 kilometers away, there is a very great leader. I'll tell you later. There are a lot of people who become millionaires in this business. I have earned more than 7 lakhs from this business in 3 years. Just doing part time. I don't do more. Whenever I think I have to work, I go to work. Nobody is my boss. Nobody says that Sunil, go to work. This is time for work. Nobody says. Nobody orders me. And I think I go to work. I do my business from a mobile. Do my business from mobile. It's very good business, wonderful business. There is nothing, no business is better than Usoft network marketing. Network marketing best business. I got a platform, I got a stage. People pay rupees 20, 25 rupees for listening to me. A person who has got 15% 10 class, people are paying for listening to him.
Yes.
But where happens this kind of things? Whenever I get to meet some educated person, I tell them the truth. You have the potential of earning 6 lakh per month. Not 6 lakh, 12 lakh per month. Because a person who is 10th class fail, if he is earning 12 lakh or 18 lakh per month, then why you can't earn 10 or 12 lakh per month? Tell me. What's the difference? If he can create a network of 5 lakh people globally, worldwide, 5 lakh network worldwide. So what do you think?
Once I see the website also.
There's a lot of things to see. Okay?
Okay.
But do fast. Okay? Don't wait.
Okay.
How old are you? 25. I'm 24. On 15th of December, I will reach 25. So you have already 25 years passed by. Okay?
Okay.
And we live around, this is Kalyug. In Hindi we say Kalyug है. बंदा कितने साल जीता है? Are you understanding what I'm saying? बंदा 60 साल जीता है. In Kalyug, that's a very critical problem. To understanding English is a critical problem.
Okay.
What happens in Kalyug? This is machine era. It's a decade or decade. What do you say? It's a millennium of machine. Computers.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know what we say in English. Average age is 60 years.
Okay.
And we have already 25 years passed.
Oh.
How much left? 35 years.
Okay.
The book, which is a Muslim book that called Quran. There is a words in the book which has written there. कुरान के अंदर एक बहुत अच्छी बात लिखी है. In Quran, there is a sentence in Quran which tells us that from the age of 21 to 40, there is only one thing we must do. That is hard work, and hard work. Right?
In that
I'm
Quran.
following that sentence.
Okay.
I'll not work my whole life. I'll work just 3 years completed. I'll just work for 2 years, and I'll reach 6 lakh per month. Then think how the life would be after 2 years. You have to have dreams. Without dream, you can't become big in life. Because we are here just because of dream. God had thought that I will make a thing which will rule the world, and He created man.
Okay.
Right?
Alright.
He created man, and man is ruling the world because man sees dreams. He has emotions. He has feelings. He has love. He has everything.
Okay.
We are emotional person. We are not rational person. Right? Somebody touches us, we feel, he touched my hand. Somebody pinches, he pinched me. Right? So we can feel, we have dreams. I have a lot of dreams. I don't want to go talk about other person. I don't say that everybody should have dreams. It's your life, you think. But my life, I want dream complete. I see a lot of dreams. I have long list of dreams. Very long list of dreams.
Once I see that after the time take the decision.
Okay, just say
in
it.
few days. If you are interested, then I can do it.
Do one thing, see the website today or tomorrow.
Okay.
It needs only if you don't have internet facilities, just go to him, he will tell you about it. Just type planetusoft.com. Website बताना planetusoft. दूसरी website बताना planetusoft.com. It's the international website of a company. Planetusoft.com. You will get to see the demo of the education.
Okay.
Just see the education. Don't think about business. Because when a shop has a good product, then only it sells. If the product is not good, it never sells. Right? That happens with Usoft. It has the best product in e-learning. It follows all the norms, all the rules in e-learning industry. Follow all the rules. And this is a different part. That depends on you. If you want to do, you can do. We don't pressurize you.
Okay.
It was nice meeting you.
Thank
Thank you very much.
much.